is 1333 Pine Street, Unit 2R. Newly renovated building. This is the common area.
Okay, so now another video is going to cut in that is a more recent version of the unit, and Dantu's going to pick up the tour from here, and then I'll pick it back up once the tour of the unit is over to show you the laundry facilities.
Hello, I just came in to 1333 Pine Street to show you a studio apartment on second floor. Stairs, another beautiful floor and railing. Nice railing is a hardwood floor we have. And as you walk in to this beautiful studio, all you see is hardwood floor and a very high ceiling, a recessed light, well kept unit. And here on the left hand side you have a bathroom, standing shower, you have sink, a mirror, you have a toilet, you have a tile floor. On the right here you have a closet space, big closet space. Here on the left hand side you have your kitchen, and this outdated countertop, a lot of storage spaces. And here you have a cooktop. It's a very deep sink here. This door will take you to the fire exit. Out the windows. This is what Unit 2R or 1333 Pine looks like. I hope you like the video. The unit has central air and heat. Thank you for watching.
Okay, now, as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to take you through the common area laundry facilities for the building, and that's where the next video picks up.
The laundry. It's 2 floors down. Into the basement. Laundry. Clean operated. Okay. There's some construction materials down here that'll be removed once the complete renovation is done. They are almost finished. And that's the unit.